Hello students, welcome to your English class. Today we will start Unit 10, Subject and Predicate. This is given in your practice book. The subject and predicate both are very important part of a sentence. Without both of them, without subject and without predicate, it is not possible to make a sentence. So let us find out what are the properties of these two subject and how we can find out subject and a predicate in a sentence. So let us at first take subject. How we find out subject? Subject is actually doer of the action. Doer of the action. And predicate means verb plus the action which is going on. And that is done by subject. Okay. What the subject is doing? Is predicate. Okay. जो सब्जेक्ट कर रहा है वो प्रेडिकेट है एंड कौन कर रहा है जो भी कर रहा है वो कौन है सब्जेक्ट है. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड it with the help of an example. Let us take this example. The teacher is teaching. Suppose this sentence is given and we have to find out subject and predicate from this sentence. Let us complete it. The teacher is teaching tenses. Okay. So in this sentence, can you tell me what is the verb? Teaching, and it is connected with helping verb is. So we are starting from here, verb, to the rest part of the sentence. This is predicate. And what is happening? Teaching tenses. Who is teaching tenses? Doer of the action. Who is it? The teacher. It is the subject. Understand now? Sentence में क्या action हो रहा है? What the subject is doing along with the verb is predicate. And जो subject कर रहा है action, ये action कौन कर रहा है? जो भी कर रहा है that is the subject. Let's take one more example to make it clear. He is the brightest student of our class. Okay, now in this sentence, what is the verb? You cannot find any action word. Okay, so the verb that is given here only is. Okay, so this is the verb. Is the brightest student of our class is predicate, and we are talking about whom? He. This is the subject. Now understand it? Let us take one more example. I go to school by bus. Suppose this sentence is given. So verb is go. So from verb till the end is predicate. And this, who is going to school? ये action कौन perform कर रहा है? I. So this is subject. I hope now you have understood it. Let us take one more example to make it more clear. My father goes for a walk daily. Suppose daily. So here, who is doing the action? Father. So this is subject. And what is action performed by the doer? This, to go for a walk. This is predicate. Okay. So this is the concept that we have to learn today, is to find out a subject and predicate in a sentence. Both are important part of a sentence, because without any of them, without subject and predicate, we cannot make any sentence. So it is very important to learn this concept. Now your homework is to practice the same concept with the help of the worksheet given on page number 82 in your practice book. So this is worksheet number 1. In this worksheet, 2 columns are given. In first column, subjects are given, and in the second column, predicates are given. You have to match the subject with the predicates and write them here in the space provided given below. Okay. So try to do it in your book, and we will discuss the same tomorrow, and we'll do further exercises related to this lesson. Till then, take care of yourself.